What's happening, everybody? It's Chris with Lone Wolf DIY. I finally made it all the way here to Arkansas to see my buddy Royce, and we cannot wait to get this stuff set up. We're gonna put a couple APs right here in the warehouse, and then we're gonna take a look on the inside and see where the best spot for one is in there. A couple of cameras in here. We're gonna set one up there in the lobby, and it's gonna be great, man. Stick around, check this out. All right, I'm here with my buddy Royce here at his distribution center, and we're gonna take a look at what we got going on and start getting set up.
So this is where we train people. We do spray texture, flake floors, we do epoxies, 2-day training course. We make them do exactly what they would do out in the field. So when they leave here, they know how to do it. Now obviously practice makes perfect, so we encourage sample boards and doing your own patio first before you actually go out and sell a job, but they are certified when they leave here.
So the one thing that caught my eye, and I know in Arizona this is like really popular, but I can't believe that that's hand done. Like, it looks exactly like flagstone.
Yep.
And so when you colored this, how many, so you prep the ground, you put the texture, well, okay, so prep the ground. I need to get recertified. So you
prep the concrete.
Yeah, so you prep it, and then you put your tape down, or you do your skim, right? And then you put your tape, and then you put your texture, and then you pull up the tape, and then you color it. So what we're talking about is sometimes they will actually color in individual stones. That's pretty popular with flagstone and other stuff. So you have to get on your hands and knees, and you got to get just the right amount of colorant, and you got to apply it one at a time, and you got to do 2 coats, right?
Yeah.
So if you got like 2,000 square feet, man,
it's a lot of work.
Hire these guys.
It's a lot of work.
And then you do all your own packing and all that stuff. Yeah, I always thought that was really neato.
Yep, this is our peanut pouch.
So
peanuts come flying out.
Yeah, so he does a lot of ordering and things in this room. So it's gonna be really awesome to be able to give him that AP in this area so that he can use that crappy satellite connection the best he can. So that's kind of the view we can expect to be able to see, and you can always change it. And what's really cool about using that design center, if you decide you want to see what your camera visibility is going to be like, you can log into that thing and move it, and it's got that little dial, so that way you can kind of pinpoint, like, maybe I want it over there or something.
Sure. Okay.
But it has 4K. You'll be able to see how many teeth somebody has coming through the garage door. So you have that rally coming up, right?
We have a rally coming up in 2 weeks. There'll be 25 to 30 dealers coming in from all across the country: Kansas, Texas, Arkansas, Arizona.
Right.
Just wherever. And then we do trainings once a month as well.
Mm-hmm. So all these people coming in are small businesses, right?
Oh yeah.
So just like you're doing on your phone, they're probably going to be doing that.
They're doing
here.
Yep.
So with that AP that we're going to set up in here, they'll have the same broadband access as you have if you were standing right next to the router.
Perfect.
In there. Yeah. This is Lost 40 Brewing, and it's very good. I have Second Rodeo, and he's got Rockhound, and we're just having a breakfast drink. Should we cheers? Cheers. You tried to reach out to Starlink, right?
Yes, I tried to reach out to Starlink, and I'm on the list to get the internet here, but it's just not available yet. AT&T would run fiber in here, but it just costs way too much.
How much was it? Like 700?
$700 a month for phones and internet. My house is $70 a month.
So because you're in a commercial building, they want to just charge you more?
Yes. That seems odd.
God, I hate corporations so much.
I did reach out to Comcast, and they are willing to come in.
You're on a waiting list, you said?
I'm on a waiting list, yeah.
Why is there a waiting list? Like, why isn't there?
We're just too rural. There's just not enough people, not enough population to bring it here.
It used to be that way back in Oregon, where I'm from. When I left in 03, we still had dial-up.
Yeah.
03, man, that was painful. Well, that was before social media, kind of. That was MySpace.
MySpace.
So right now, here in the office where we are with Royce, his router is in the other room. And this is a commercial building. And if you saw the other video with the map, please like and subscribe and check that out. Anyway, so we're going to be running an AP into here where he does most of his business, so he doesn't have to rely on that LTE, because I've had to try to rely on that, and even that sucks. So thanks everybody for tuning in. We all got to help each other out. We especially got to help my buddy Royce here by getting him set up with a network that he can control himself. He doesn't have to subscribe or pay Comcast or whatever those trash losers are. He can take care of that himself. So if you guys want to help me out, you guys want to help out small businesses and stuff like that, please like and subscribe and hit that notification thing in the corner so that I can keep doing this, because I'm having a lot of fun and I'm definitely helping people out. And I love that you guys are here to join me and hang out and have some good time. So please stick around, man. Like and subscribe, all that stuff, and let's get this done. I'm really slow to catch on. Somebody had to explain to me what dip meant. Apparently dipping is when you leave. Like you're going to dip out. Did you know that?
Yeah,
I didn't know that. That's bad. Is that old or just ignorant? I don't know. These kids.
Kids these days.